Today in the morning I have uploaded on one video where I asked you about your doubts, and I told you that wherever or in which part of the lessons you have doubt, you let me know. Then I can create new videos or notes I can provide like this I told you. So as a respond to my that video, some of the students they asked some questions. I want to answer you. I want to solve your problems, what problems you are showing me. So firstly, from class 7, lesson number 7, type D, question number 4. The question is that why is cooking of food is considered a chemical change? This question is asked by one student. So as a result, as an answer of this question, I would like to tell you that at first you have to write what is a chemical change. Okay, so we know that chemical change is that where one substance gets converted into another substance and the newly formed substance cannot be converted into the first one generally. So that is said as a chemical change. After that, you have to write about the cooking. So during cooking, what is done? Those ingredients of food, they are boiled with water. So when they are boiled, then after boiling, some new substances are formed which are completely different in their taste, in their shape, size, okay, to the previous substance. That means a new substance is formed, and in the same time the new substance which is formed, so that cannot be altered to the previous substance. That means the raw materials. So that is why it is fulfilling the conditions which are necessary for the chemical change. So it is fulfilling the conditions, and that is why we can say cooking is a chemical change. So I hope you understood. Again, I am repeating that, for example, you are cooking that rice. Okay, so when for cooking we are using the paddy seeds. Paddy seeds we are using. So that seeds, when we cook, that means the raw rice, when we cook, after that the rice what we are eating, that rice is coming, and that rice and the raw paddy seed what was used first, there is a difference. So their size, their texture, their smell, their taste, everything it is changed. One raw paddy seed, in Assamese we say saul. So saul is converted into the cooked rice, that means the bhat. So saul aru bhat duitar majot difference ase. Okay, so they are completely different from each other, and when it is converted into the cooked food, that means bhat jetia hoi jay, to bhat tuk ami ako saul banabo nwaro. It is completely converted. Okay, so that is why it is a chemical change. Not only rice, you can tell another things also. For example, meat or vegetables, raw vegetables and the cooked vegetables, there is a vast difference. Completely different substance. Taste also different. Their shape, size, structure, everything is getting different. So that is why it is a chemical change. I hope it is clear. So composition is yours. So you will compose the answer, and I know you can. And if you still you cannot answer it, then you let me know through WhatsApp.